went to Kihei Caffe instead because 808 Grinds was closed.
Aloha! Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Hawaiian fried rice. I actually had this fried rice when I was visiting Maui. I think the restaurant is called Kihei Caffe, but it was so delicious. I think it had Portuguese sausages in it, maybe ham and bacon. But I wanted to make my own version of this, so I'm changing up a bit. If you're interested in seeing how I make this delicious fried rice, keep on watching.
For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. We are going to start off by slowly cooking the bacon. I'm only using a couple pieces of bacon. Once the bacon is cooked, set that aside and add the Portuguese sausage, and you're going to cook the sausage until it is nicely browned and caramelized. We are then going to add the onion and garlic, and we're going to saute until the onions are softened and the garlic is nice and fragrant. I think Kihei Caffe uses ham, but instead of ham, I wanted to use my leftover char siu pork. If you missed that video, please click on the right-hand corner to view. I wanted to use this because I love the smoky, sweet flavor of this pork, and I think it would pair well with this savory dish. Kihei Caffe does not add eggs to the rice. They serve a fried egg on top, but I wanted to add scrambled eggs to the dish. To do so, set the mixture aside, add oil, add your eggs, and let it set before scrambling. Next, we're going to add our rice, and we're going to mix it well. To this, we are going to add the sauce and mix until the rice is coated with the sauce. From here, you can adjust the seasoning and add pepper, salt, and more garlic powder because I love garlic. I am using garlic powder. And once everything is mixed well and combined, we want to top this rice with the crunchy bacon and the fresh green onions. And that is it. That is how easy and simple it is to make my version of Kihei Caffe's 3-pork fried rice. All right, you guys, now it's time to taste this. I like the smokiness that pork barbecue gives. I like the crunch that the bacon adds to this dish.
Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you do recreate my recipes, I love hearing from you guys. So please hashtag Ivy's Kitchen and tag me on Instagram or Facebook. I'll leave my information down below. Again, thank you guys for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!
Thank you for watching Ivy's Kitchen. Please don't forget to subscribe. For the complete recipe, please check out ivyskitchen.net. Until next time, happy cooking!